Investigation 5, organizing and analyzing data. This is kind of a fun investigation, and analyzing and organizing data is complex, and it's challenging, so you have to go slow. You can't rush through these types of things. So what is data? It's a collection of info. What is the study of data called? It's statistics. So can you organize data into frequency tables and line plots? There's also line graphs and bar graphs and all those different things in between. But today we're just going to focus on frequency tables and line plots. So our first one is a frequency table. Mr. Sautang's class has 25 kids in it, and they had a quiz that had 6 questions, and you could have gotten anywhere from 0 correct to 6 correct. His class of 25 did pretty good. Nobody completely bombed it with 0. So we left 0 out of our frequency table. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go through and tally every time we come to a value. So here is a 4, so I'm going to put a tally mark on a 4. Then we have a 3, another 3, another 4, 2, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, and 2. Then we have another 6, another 3, another 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 5, and 6. So now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this from tallies to digits. So this is a 1, a 4, a 7, a 5, and a 3. So that's pretty simple. Now it says to check for whether every score was accounted for, Mr. Sautang adds the number in the frequency column. So the total should be 25, and that's the number of kids who took the test. So here we have 5, 10, 15, and then 7 and 3 make 10, so that's 25. So we know that we have all of the data included in our table. All right, let's switch gears and check out line plots. Line plots can be kind of tricky, and you have to, again, go very slowly so that you can understand the information given. So for this line plot, the data was collected from the first 20 people who came off of a slide around 9 a.m. and they were asked their ages, and so this is the age of the number of people. So what we're going to do is we're going to just put X's above the line plot where these ages go. So here we have an 11, then we have a 9, we have an 8, another 11, a 12, a 15, a 13, another 12, another 12, another 12, another 12. And we have somebody who's 22. We have a 13-year-old, another 11-year-old, somebody who's 21, a 9-year-old, somebody who's 16, another 12-year-old, another 13-year-old, and another 9-year-old. So we can see that we have a cluster of kids who are 11, 12, and 13 who all went down this slide around 9 a.m. A cluster is, again, a group of data points. Outliers would be these two folks, the 21 and the 22-year-old, who went down the slide. It's a point that's far away from other information. And you can analyze this data if you are the park people, and you can say, well, what is the average age group of people using that slide? That's the tweeny bopper age. So again, how can you use this data? How can you analyze the data? How do you put it on a line plot? That's the important kind of information that you can glean from these types of data points.